So let us check out what is actually happening on BTC right now. What should we be doing in crypto? You can see that as for right now, we can see that BTC is bearish. Yeah, why? I mean, it is actually bullish right now. On the 4-hour time frame, we actually cared about it. Why am I buying BTC? So actually, right now, I can see that if you check it very well, you can see that BTC is bearish before. Then what actually happened? We break above the structure, with the body candle, making us to be bullish. We are bullish, right? Yeah. I don't want to go much into the past. We are bullish, right? Then we break below it again, and suddenly we break above this body also. That causes us to be bearish. So we are now bullish on BTC. So that don't overthink it too much. We are now bullish on BTC. So on the 1-hour time frame, I care more about what is presently happening. But for my 4-hour time frame, I want to know what region I should be buying to. So you can see that on 4-hour time frame we are bullish, and you should be looking at this region because there are so many activities on it. And we can even see something like maybe like you don't know what could happen. BTC might do something like a armor, like a shoulder, you get the shoulder pattern at that region. So we expect it to do it. We expect ourselves to be very careful in this region. So that is the region we should be buying to, since we are now bullish on BTC. That region should be the region we should be buying to. So right now we'll go to 1-hour time frame to know the region. I mean, if we are bullish enough for me to buy. So right now, I'll be looking at the support level, which is this support level. Any region at this support level is a good region for me to buy. And because of why? Because if you check it very well, you can see there are many rejections at that level. These rejections, there's this rejection, there's this rejection, also this rejection, this rejection. So many rejections at that level for us to buy. And if you look at a little bit backward into history, you can see there are so many activities at that region. So many activities. If you think it is not, you can see a week at that region. So many activities at that region. Remember, every analysis we are making here, we are actually doing it based on what? Based on belief. It's not just belief, but what we've seen in the past, what has actually happened in the past. Look at the one I said right now. In the past, we've seen weak and a very strong rejection upward. You can see a weak and a very strong rejection upward. So we expect it to come there with a weak. And next one, it is very sensible. There are so many demands on here for it to fill. They call it what? They call it a fair value gap. So if it can come into this zone, it can come in there. It is like a fair value gap for it to fill. So right there, we can actually be expecting more buys. But if you're a conservative trader, you have to wait for it to play a W pattern at this zone. Then you can take a buy, or you wait for the 15-minute time frame for it to play a W pattern at this zone, or a bullish engulfing candle. Then we can push highs. We can start buying. Yeah. Apart from that, if you want to be more conservative, you can just put a stop loss a little bit below the week, so that region we can say that is the best region for us to buy. So that once we break that region, we will become what? We will become bearish. So that is the only zone that can prove us wrong. And another thing you can see is that this region we are also seeing what? We can also see that we are experiencing some kind of bullish engulfing. It is not for any reason, but because this is the best region we go. So it's trying to replace this region, and if you can see a lot of buyers in that region, it might be experiencing the buy. But right now, I can't recommend you buying it, but if you have enough money that you want to risk, it is highly risky because of the value that we do it. So I'm expecting it to do what? To give you I'm expecting it to go a little bit lower, but if it doesn't, some people right now can buy this trade. You can just buy it and what? region to buy. To me, that's not a good entry for me, because anytime any fluctuation in the market can come back to this zone, then trigger our buy and still go in our direction. So it depends on the kind of trader you are. Apart from that, right now we can go to the 15-minute time frame for our real entry. Yeah, our entry. But on the 15-minute time frame, you can see that why. If you want to buy this trade, you have to be very careful, because on the 15-minute time frame, this trade is already bearish. Yeah, why do I say it is bearish already? Look at it. It has break with a body candle, the bullish trend. So making it to be very dangerous for you to buy. Look at it. We came back and what, we broke highs, and right now we body close, making us to be what? To be bearish on this trade. So we might be seeing lower lows, like the market has just come here, then we can be expecting buying pressure. Yeah, buying pressure. Exactly, that is my analysis for BTC right now. So enjoy, guys. If you want to see a good, like more, kindly click on the subscribe button, so that anytime I post video, you can actually get notification and get notified, so you won't miss out every opportunity I have for you. It is free, and it is I give you analysis based on what? Based on past performance of the market. So if you love things like this, kindly subscribe or click on the subscribe button so you can get notification. Thank you.